All right, let's start getting into it. This might be an extremely short stream tonight, but you know what? I welcome that. Let's start going over some of the news. So, right now, here's what is up to date on the crypto news. MicroStrategy Michael Saylor hints at impending Bitcoin purchase following lapse. So interesting, they were supposed to be taking a pause, and I guess the pause is over. They're not going to hodl anymore. Michael Saylor, co-founder of the newly rebranded Strategy, posted a chart signaling an impending Bitcoin purchase by the company. So that didn't last long. That really didn't last long. What is up, Nikita? How you doing today? The company took a 1-week break from acquiring more Bitcoin after 12 consecutive weeks of Bitcoin accumulation. Can you do Trump? I know it's down bad. Yeah, we can check out some Trump. No big deal. To be fair, this is the time when you should check it out, when it's down bad. But anyways, so yeah, there's that. According to Michael Saylor, the company currently has 107 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $44.8 billion, and it's sitting on unrealized gains of 14 billion following recent Bitcoin dip prices. That is insane gains. So obviously every other country around the world, or every other company around the world, I should say, is probably paying attention to that, and they're probably going to be like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Elon Musk Doge saves taxpayers billions. So apparently the Democratic side really hates Trump. The Republican side really loves Trump. Or not Trump, Elon Musk. So, yeah, Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, aka Doge, has saved U.S. taxpayers $36.7 billion, prompting calls for crypto industry leaders to gather transparency in the government spending through blockchain technology. According to Doge tracker data, the savings represent just 1.8% of Musk's goal to reduce U.S. government spending up to $2 trillion. Musk outlined in Vision during January 9th interview with political strategist Mark Penn. That's absolutely insane. Can I look at CAR coin? I keep seeing it everywhere. Oh, that's because some African prime minister or something made it, right? Yo, what's up, Defo? How you doing? Yeah, we'll check out CAR if we can find it. Because noted, it's a new meme coin. So if I can find it, yeah, I'll check it out. But apparently it jumped up to a $250 million market cap. Might not be worth your time. Anyways, if I can find it, young Scarface, I'll bring it up. Crypto VC mulls whether market is near the bottom. Well, I mean, it's weird that they would say the market near the bottom. More like, are the altcoins near the bottom? Crypto venture capitalists said the market may be nearing local bottom, citing extended negative funding rates and widespread bearish sentiment, which he says is often the best signal. That's fair. Evil Woozy Bear, how you doing? Welcome in. How you doing? Evil Woozy Bear, thank you so much for the follow over there on TikTok. I mean, Twitch. Thank you so much. Not TikTok. Can't go live over there yet. No big if you can't. Just curious. No problem. Alrighty. So, I'm hearing this feedback because I got some cans over here. Jeez. That feedback's killing me. I don't like that. Anyways, I'm sure you guys hear it in the mic too, which is even worse. But I might be early, but it feels like we're near the bottom. Hartman Capital founder at whatever said on February 8th. Nice. What's up, man? What is up, Vic Shoots? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. So we have venture capitalists thinking that we're near the bottom, which usually means they're going to start buying, which is really great. Hey, man, watch the football game? No, not at all. I don't watch football anymore. Too much acting. I don't like it. It is not the sport that I played. Therefore, I can't watch it. I wanted to catch some of the commercials, but I figured I can just wait for YouTube. YouTube will probably broadcast all the commercials probably within the next like couple hours. So I do look forward to looking all those up. But at the actual game, no. I'll watch random highlights here and there. But there's no way I was watching the Super Bowl. I didn't watch a single game all season. I feel good about it. Current chain abstraction methods are fraudulent. Fragmenting crypto Web3 exec. Okay, I don't even know what this means. Chain abstraction? I don't even know what? Industry executives and competing firms are still grappling with abstracting away the complexities of... Stop saying abstracting. This is so difficult to read. Now you're talking about complexities of blockchain for the end user? Use better words. Damn, brother. Oh, man. It's hard to read it. They're going to talk about how hard the blockchain is to understand? Anyways, so yeah, they're basically saying the blockchain is hard to work with for the average person, which, that's fair. That's fair. Previous attempts at interoperability bridge liquidity only simplify the user experience, and achieving cross-chain interoperability are the two main goals of chain abstraction techniques. Oh god. Okay, I'm not gonna read abstraction anymore. It's giving me a headache. It's so bad. Anyways, moving along. So they basically just want to make interchain operability easier. Got it. Can I check out swarms? Sure, we can check out swarms. Redefining cross-chain interface and rethinking cross-chain liquidity. AMA with Synther. Cool. The cross-chain liquidity solutions we have today are wrapped around solutions that exist 2 to 3 years ago. They haven't seen an overhaul in very long time, even though we're entering a point where more chains are coming, said Synther co-founder. That's true. There are more chains than ever, so they really do need to get on that interoperability between chains. So that, you know what? It's good they're bringing this to light. That's really great. Anyways, I'm not going to read all this. I'm just not. Michael Saylor's post about the Bitcoin chart after a week of a break. Yeah, he plans on buying more. Go figure. Alright, so not really much news on this part, but Pump Fund co-founder says most altcoins serve some purpose as memes. No, they don't. He's full of shit. They are just memes. Well, whatever. The only thing memes do is get new people into the space. That's really all they do, and it's at the idea that they can make millions overnight. That's the only thing they're good for. Bitcoin's role as a reserve asset gains traction as U.S. as states adopt. So yeah, a bunch of U.S. states, they are now making a bunch of legislation to start investing into Bitcoin, whether it be through a strategic reserve or putting it into federal penitentiary or pensions. So it is really good. They are doing all of this. I mean, you even have Texas who came out, said they were going to put 500 million. They're going to buy every single year. So we're going to see how that goes. They're going to basically try and pull in El Salvador. I think what he said is the most altcoins are just as useless. Oh, JB, he's right. Yeah, he's absolutely right if that's what he said. They really are, because you have like 19 different coins trying to solve one problem, and that's we can do transactions faster. No one cares at all. That's why Bitcoin is kind of sitting on king status, because it doesn't have a mouthpiece. Like, that's all it is. Anyways, we're gonna go into this right here. So recent developments here is Senate Banking Committee challenges the crypto crime narrative. Money laundering existed long before Bitcoin. 100% true. We're going to repost that so you guys can listen to the video. I don't feel like getting demonetized before I even monetize this thing. Trump announced his 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum for tomorrow. That part kind of sucks. And then, of course, you know, the meme of the day here. Day traders in movies. They look all serious at a computer and whatnot. Day traders in real life. I've done this a number of times where you are just sitting there, laying down in bed, staring at your phone. This is what I mean sometimes when I say I get out of trades before I go to bed so I can get some sleep. This right here is what I'm talking about. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the TA. Let's see what's going on in the markets. All right. Exactly. What do you think about these Bitcoin reversal with most of the hash power being outside of the US, mostly in China? I could care less where the hash rate is. Honestly, I could care less where it is. Because guess what? If China turns off all the miners, we would periodically, just like they did in the past, we would periodically have a dip in hash rate, and then the entire blockchain self-corrects. So it actually doesn't matter where the mining is. I love how some people started this narrative as if it's bad, most of the hash rates in China. And I was like, they don't understand blockchain. Just because the hash rates in China doesn't mean shit. They're still competing with the rest of the world. Unless they can take over 51% of the Bitcoin network, it does not matter. It really doesn't matter. A 51% attack on the Bitcoin network is the only way anyone could have any dent in the Bitcoin network. So honestly, I could care less how much hash rate they're bringing in. It's literally, oh, they decided to turn their miners back on, which now, considering they created DeepSeek with old miners, allegedly, then now they're just not going to be as good at AI. So we're still winning. Who cares? So yeah, I don't give two shits about it. Anyways, looking at Bitcoin on the weekly, we had a nothing burger of a week last week. It just ended in red. So we've had 2 red weeks. We also are still below $104,000, but positive, you're staying above 93,459. If we get a candle low close below this 93,459, I'm going to say, hey, it is time. We are going down, and we're probably going to see 71,000. But it hasn't happened yet, even though we do have bearish divergence on the weekly. It is a thing. It is a thing. It's still in play, damn it. Still in play. Hold on 1 second here. All right, so still in play, bearish divergence on the weekly. We finally moseyed on into the red territory for the weekly MACD. Let's go ahead and check out our daily. So checking out the daily, we are still underneath that 50 simple moving average, trying to find support off of the 100 simple moving average. But our 200 is sitting all the way down here at 79,319, with tariffs looming overhead, as well as economic data, and the Fed is going to be talking on Wednesday, apparently doing a testimony or something. Well, it has me a little worried about what this week could be in store for Bitcoin, which means the whole market could get poopy doopy. We've been in this extended downtrend right now, and it looks like we are testing the downtrend once again. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame. For Bitcoin, we are definitely testing this shit. We are definitely testing it. So that is what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin. It is extremely possible for us to roll over and fall down. So just mentally prepare for that, because we also have the 50 simple on the 4 hour sitting right there. Let's go ahead and check our liquidation map. On the liquidation map, we have a bunch of shorts sitting right here, ready for the taking. We took out a few earlier, $28 million worth, but this is a very lackluster movement after that. So it's making me think they are planning on sending it down. So, yeah, there's that. There is that. Hold on 1 second, everybody. Give me 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. I shouldn't have very many distractions after that, but anyways, we move on. Wow. So, this is how you know the manipulation is real. Today, you took out 94, 104, 92. Wow. So a little over $200 million on a wick low, and then it shot right back up. Yeah, the manipulation is in full effect here. That is absolutely amazing how much in long liquidations just took place, and we didn't see the price crash. It was all a liquidity grab. That is amazing. That is actually amazing. Sorry for the lost souls in this trade. That is a shame. But is what it is. Damn, that is really too bad. Alright, so I'm still looking for downside, just so you guys know. And yeah, with that being said, where we could go, what is a possibility for Bitcoin right this moment? 81,628 is a very good possibility. Yikes. So we could see Bitcoin take a tumble of 15%. Just keep that in mind as things start playing out this week. There is a possibility of this playing out to the downside. 15%. So, bullish case scenario is an amazingly bullish case scenario where you could see this thing just skyrocket and you see yourself at $134,000. So understand, there is a bullish case still because we are bullishly consolidating. However, unless they start moving these prices soon, we could see Bitcoin fall another 15%. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right. So today, for the list of crypto I want to bring to your attention, also I wanted to look at, we have Ethereum, Ondo, OM, XRP, XLM, Link, Sol, Sui, HBAR, ADA, and then for our two fun ones, it's Cake and BNX. Alright, we're going to be checking out all of those. BNX, I'm honestly just looking for a shorting opportunity because that thing was going crazy. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out what we find. So let's check out Ethereum. Now the reason we're looking at Ethereum is because all the whales are stacking Ethereum like crazy right now. It is crazy what they're doing with Ethereum right now. It is just massive buying as if it's going out of style. Currently, this is your downtrend, so even if you do rally up, I think you're going to get stopped at 2,755. But yeah, it's crazy. Chiefs got smoked, and it makes me happy. Okay, all right, Chiefs lost. The Chiefs have lost. All right. Also, by the way, Rich, thank you so much for renewing that membership. I greatly appreciate you. Same with you, Defo. I appreciate you also. Thank you very much. I'm just noticing the change in badges here. So, yeah. Anyways, so right now you do have a bullish case, yes, for Ethereum. It could be going up, and you'd be looking for a breakout, possibly getting up as high as like 3,955. But let's go with a measured move here. You really don't want to lose this level of support because you just got that bullish 5-0. If this does stay bullish, you could see it up at $3,403. So this, on the bullish side of things, you might see Ethereum go up 29.84%. We will see. We will see. anyways, that is Ethereum. That is what I'm seeing here. Based off your daily time frame, you're almost in that oversold territory. You lost your 200 simple moving average, so it is what it is. Checking out your weekly. Weekly, you still have room to fall, but you are above that 200 weekly moving average. We're going to have to just wait and see what happens. But the 200 is sitting right at 2,500. So you lose 2,500, this could get real dark real quick for Ethereum. We shall see. Anyways, moving along, we got Ondo. Ondo's another one that is in the news a lot lately. Whales are accumulating like crazy. Checking it out on the weekly, you have finished your fifth week. Wow, 5 weeks straight underneath resistance at $1.3795. You can see how strong this resistance is acting. Was formerly support, bearish engulfing candle. You just can't stay above it. So of course, I'm going to be looking for lower prices. Going to be looking for that lower prices. And where could we find it? Well, based off your weekly time frame, this could get really, really gross. Really gross. I mean, 42 cents technically is in play. I'm just saying technically. I'm not saying it will happen, but that could happen. All right, looking at it on the 4-hour time frame. So your 4-hour, you are below your 200 simple moving average. It could be acting as bullish consolidation, but you know, you came down, you went sideways, and you're rolling over. If we start getting a bullish day tomorrow, hey, we might see this thing rally up 121%, going absolute ape shit all the way up to new highs. I really don't think that's going to happen. Honestly, I don't think that's going to happen. I would be looking at it a lot more like this. Just with the idea of, hey, maybe we're coming down, testing that supply line. So 76 cents would not be weird to me, but we'll see what happens. I mean, the whales, they are gathering a lot of this, but I don't know if they're willing to let it fall to keep on buying more, because that's a 43% drop. We will see, but the longer you stay below 137.95, the weaker it gets. So the buyers will just give up. It's plain and simple. They'll give up. So then you're kind of screwed either way. And on your daily, now we did have just barely a close below the 100 simple moving average. So yeah, it's starting to look more and more likely like you're gonna go down and test some support. So that's what I see out of Ondo. Let's check out OM. We're really close to it on the charts, and OM is just doing its thing on a moon mission, but you do have bearish divergence on the daily. You're overextended from your moving averages. You could see it fall anytime now. It's just a matter of when, not if, at this point. But man, they are really trying to prop this thing up. I think they're aiming for the $6.74. They're just having a lot of trouble getting up there. Let's check out your 4-hour time frame. If you guys don't know, I really want to short this thing. I really do. It's just, I don't know if this is the first lower high or not. I mean, the triple bearish divergence, we got quadruple bearish divergence. Let it fall. Dang, guys. What are we doing? I don't know why it's so bullish, but right now, you're in a downtrend. Would I be willing to short this? Probably not. Probably not, because you are still not overbought, which I don't get it, but hey, they're still buying. They're still buying. All right, anyways, XRP is next. So looking at the XRP, yeah, it's not doing much. Not doing much. I can even readjust this to be like, nope, still going down because this is still a lower high. So we just adjust that trend line down, and guess what? We could keep on falling. Actually, we need to check this out on the 1 hour. Let's see what happens. Oh. 1 hour time frame got a little janky on the relative strength. I pointed out this rising wedge pattern. We fell out of it. Are we going to bearishly backtest it and roll over? Maybe. XRP Army going to be pissed? Oh, that's what I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, let me just show you a little something that I'm finding on X. Another reason why they piss me off in the XRP Army. XRP to 60,000 because all the banks in the US must start using XRP by March 10th, 2025. XRP will change your lives for sure. March 10th is approaching fast. Look at that. They're talking about it. They're like, we're going to the moon. 100%, we're doing it. I feel so bad for the XRP army. I feel really bad for them, honestly. It doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. They're a little too excited. A lot of exit liquidity will be made. I'll have whatever they're smoking, right? I mean, dang. What's up, Jin? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Crazy people, right? $60,000 per XRP. Are we for real? Are we for real? So yeah, with that being said, I'm thinking 34% downside. Get a nice little test at 155. Let's see what happens from there. I'm going to say it again, live on stream, so you guys don't forget. I could see this thing falling all the way down to 58 cents as a bullish backtest. It's just like imagining what it would be like to win the lottery. I mean, yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Cass. Jin, I got you on Cass. I got you on cash, Jin. They must be burning 90%, 97% of the supply. I mean, they'd have to. They would have to. I'm so glad KC lost. That's awesome. I didn't watch the game. I'm not even going to watch the highlights of the game. I'm going to look up the commercials. That's all I want to see. I can't watch football anymore. I just can't. But yeah, so yeah, I just want to say it live here. If XRP touches 58 cents, there's a possibility of some value down there. There's some possibility of value down there. The fact that you shot all the way up and you didn't backtest a gosh darn thing, 58 cents. Backtests are important. Otherwise, you can come straight back down. And I feel like a lot of, so, you know, as mentioned before, a lot of altcoins serve the same purpose as meme coins. Outside of fast transactions and having a ledger in which meme coins are being made on, what's XRP used for? You know? What's it used for? Dude, it was one-sided. No need to watch it. Okay, all right. Fascinating. Fantasizing about gains is what made me lose 100K in trades last couple years. Damn, evil. That's rough. But yes, that will happen. Noted. We short the market a lot. I'm literally looking through this whole list right now, looking at what I could short. I'm thinking I should short this. XRP would need 3.4 trillion market cap to hit 60K. Well, if we hit inflation just right, hey, it could do it. It could do it. If we get inflation just right. Alrighty, so that's XRP. Let's check out XLM since we're down here. XLM on the daily, it is struggling for its life. Yikes. I'm still looking for our XLM to come down to 22 cents. And once again, like, this thing shot up just like XRP did. And, oh shit! Evil Woozy Bear, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub over there on Twitch. Thank you so much. We don't get many subs over there, so thank you. I appreciate that. So looking at XLM, it would totally be in the cards to come all the way down to 10 cents. So keep that part in mind when it comes to XLM, because all it did was shoot up. I don't even dislike them, but hey, here we are. If it used in the crypto reserve, what would that bring the price to? Depends on what the market makers allow it to go to, honestly. Considering XRP it's like #1 known for OTC sales every single time they release new tokens from the treasury. Only crypto stream on Twitch is not garbage meme coin trading. Wow, is that what it turned into? I didn't even check the category, honestly. I didn't check the category, but damn, that's all it is. That's crazy. No, I'll make YouTube videos about meme coins and stuff, but it's horrible over here, I bet. But no, I like to look up trade setups mostly. So trade setups usually do a lot better for me anyways, at least profit wise, chasing a meme coin on a pump, it's difficult. It's tough. It's really tough. Checking out XLM on the 4-hour. Here's our current downtrend. So we could have some upside, but noted, as soon as we lose 30 cents, I'll see you at 22. Isn't the Feb the most so far? Wait, what? The worst so far? BTC cycles? I don't know. I didn't even look at that chart. I have no idea. Oh, there was a need I peaked. Wait. There was a need. I peaked watching the Chiefs get systematically dismantled 4 straight quarters. Wow, that's crazy. No, it would need way more than 3.4 trillion market cap to hit 60K. Way more? Yeah, probably. You know, I feel bad about that whole XRP thing though, because it's like I scroll through TikTok a lot. That's my guilty pleasure there. And as I'm scrolling through it, I see like this one guy. He always has like one of his kids in his arms, and he talks about how like, oh, XRP is gonna be like paying for the family and stuff like that. And I was like, what? No, don't invest too much in there, brother. Don't do it. Diversify. Oh goodness. Because right now, I mean, he'd be better off going with Kava over XRP. I just, oh man, it's like, don't do it. But you know, you can't reason with those people, so you just don't even want to tell them. You just have to wait for it to play out. And you're like, well, I mean, you guys are your type of way, so sucks it didn't work out. It's the setup to be used in all world banks, so why wouldn't it be worth more than Bitcoin? Because, noted, it's the setup to be used in the banks. It's not set up to be bought by the banks. It is not set up to be pumped in price by the banks. And the banks have been buying OTC for years. Years. What would pump the price? Also, now they came out with their stablecoin. What would pump the price of XRP? Nothing. Nothing would pump the price of XRP. Like, they were like, our stablecoin can be used on the XRP ledger, and that is why XRP can be transferred across borders instantaneously. So we can use a stablecoin and not worry about market fluctuation? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Well, in order to make the stablecoin, we have to burn some XRP. So it's like, oh, maybe XRP hits $5? Maybe. But they could also just use JP Morgan coin. Who cares? They also have the Ripple products that doesn't use XRP at all. It just uses the network. So I hear all the hopium. I understand. But also, I mean, why would it boost the price? Why? XRP hitting even $100 is a stretch, and it would take like M3 more cycles. Yeah, minimum 3 more cycles. I mean, maybe. They got to get rid of a lot of coins. Their circulating supply is massive. It is massive. So it's like, for you to go for these crazy high numbers, good luck. I mean, if we get crazy inflation, yeah, sure. Yeah, I can see that. Because then it's like, oh, $60,000 is equivalent to like, I don't know, $100? Sure, I can get behind that. That's fine. If they move RWAs onto the ledger, keyword is move the volume, and we're not even there yet. Maybe tokenize equities. Yeah, they'd have to tokenize derivatives. That's the thing. They would have to tokenize derivatives to get to that type of evaluation. So a lot of people don't realize, but derivatives are like it's the debt of the world. If they could somehow tokenize that and throw it into the XRP network, that would give it a nice boost. That would give it a crazy high market cap where it's like, oh shit. But no one talks about doing that. They're just talking about, oh, the banks will be able to send money to each other faster. They could replace the SWIFT system. Okay. I don't see how that'll boost the XRP price. I don't see it. So that's why I just kind of like, ugh, let's not get suckered into the hopium. Let's not do that. If you want to hold a small bag of XRP, I'm not going to stop you. But also, it's like, give a good reason why it should go up that much. Just one good reason why banks, who are distinctively known for manipulating markets down, why they would send it up. And just to, for instance, look up JP Morgan and how they manipulated the price of silver for years to go down. They were suppressing the price of silver. Like, unreal. They had to pay X billions of dollars and got a slap on the wrist. And it was like, are you kidding me? That's all they had to do. What? Anyways, I digress. Is that lower? Oh shit, Link showing some bullish divergence on the 4 hour. This is good. So Link has the possibility of getting this 40% move to the upside. On the 4 hour, it's showing it. Let's see if it actually happens. But it's showing it. You have this lower low situation, and you even wicked outside of it. So technical bullish divergence is achieved. It could do something. XRP wasn't meant for retail, as they soon will find out. I mean, yeah, it's really funny because they all know that. They all say that. They say it out loud. They're like, XRP was never meant for retail investors. I'm like, why do you want it? I don't understand. Richard Hart stacked all of the Hex origin address wallet, drastically lowering the yield for everyone else. Staking Hex. This is important because it removes the benefit to being a liquidity. Okay, cool. Mandy Coin PMG project. She's a real nurse trying to help people in real life. Her reputation is on the line. Very hot, FYI. Legit nurse from Research Thoughts. Oh gosh. I have no thoughts on it. Also, I don't go to Deck Screener, so I'm not even going to look it up. It's like a $5 minimum dodo to get me to go look at Deck Screener. I just don't go over there. Gonna switch over to YouTube, where all the cool people hang out. Great place to be. Woozy, welcome in. Welcome in, man. Mandy Coin, thoughts? Yeah, once again, no thoughts. Long C. Oh, man, it's the delay, isn't it? Ah, jeez. Anyways, so yeah, Link. It has a possibility of going up 40% or even just getting stopped at the resistance. But your downside target, if you cannot get back above 18.78, this thing could start falling. It could go down to 938. So just understand what could happen. Thanks, bro. Yeah, no problem. Yo, what's up, Psycho Crypto 23? Or, sorry, Crypt 023. How you doing? It's morning for you? What part of the world are you in? It's nighttime for me. Turbo, then. Yeah, we'll check out some Turbo for you. Turbo. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Solana. But yeah, if we can't get back above resistance here, which also, we're so low on relative strength, I'm not really thinking it's going to fall that harshly. But you know, anything can happen, so you just got to mentally prepare for it. Mentally prepare for the worst. This thing could fall all the way down to 938. Anyways, Solana. So Solana's doing kind of the same thing. You're finding a massive amount of resistance at 202. This is a problem. I mean, yeah, you got a breakout, cool, but you're not getting follow through. You're not getting the bids. So right now, it is fully in play for Solana to come back down to 185. And I would not find that to be weird starting tomorrow. If we just rolled on over, testing that 200 simple moving average again, wouldn't find it weird at all. It's technically at a really good spot to take a short on Solana because you have had, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole days to try and break above 202, and you have not been able to. This is your level of your supply line, and you're just hugging it deeply, looking at its eyes, trying to take it out to dinner, buy it some roses. There's no point to be stuck here unless you're getting ready to roll over. So right now, Solana looking pretty bad. Not even gonna lie, it's looking pretty bad. And the measured move down, it's like 13%, getting down to 173.80. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but it is a possibility. Your daily has plenty of room to fall. Your 4-hour time frame, plenty of room to fall, especially after that false breakout. Now you're finding resistance here again. That's a big time problem for Solana. So yeah, Solana looking a bit rough. Ooh, it could go even worse. Yikes. We could go down to 168. Oh god. That's terrible. That's absolutely terrible. What's wrong with DEX? Can you elaborate, brother? Splack, it's that every single time I go into DEX, I start to look up a coin, and then the first words I hear, that's not the right one. That's the biggest problem. It throws off the flow of the stream, and it drives me insane, and then I usually just want to turn off the stream as fast as possible. So I like to avoid that as much as possible. Anyways, provider and the ecosystem, this has a secondary effect. Okay, talking about Hex. Cool. My previous 3 comments should be read as one statement. Oh, gotcha. No VRVP or naked POCs. Link can find support at 1415 region according to the value areas, sir. Oh, Jay, it probably could. I go off Fibonacci. I don't like using the VRVP. The reason why is because VRVP works really great when you're going up and finding resistance, but if you're going down, it slices through those areas like butter. I don't know if you've seen that before. I've seen it way too often, so I stopped using the VRVP. I just don't like it because it didn't seem reliable enough on the way down. Can I take a look at Ski Mask Dog? Ticker is Ski? Sure, we'll look at it. Sure. Can I take a look at LTC? I know they're expecting ETF soon. Yeah, we can check out LTC. LTC was doing pretty decent last week, but I feel like it's going to get faded, just like the rest of the market. Remember, we're getting terrible news starting tomorrow. China's imposing 10 to 15% tariffs on U.S. goods, and U.S. is imposing 25% tariffs on aluminum and steel. So, the trade war begins. Expect volatility. Thank you, man. It's for sure hectic. Thank you. You're the best. Oh, no problem, Splack. No problem. All right, so moving on, we got Sui. I'm actually just looking at Sui because I want to. Honestly, this is all personal. I just want to see what it's doing. So you can see we fell out of our supply line. We found resistance. Naturally, I want to know how low it could go. We do have support sitting down here at $1.91. So we could actually send it all the way down. Gotta use the indicators with it. Nothing in TradingView is designed to operate solo. XRP is ass. You're not wrong, Danny White. You're not wrong. Jay, we have plenty of indicators on this thing to figure out where price is going. I'm glad you like the VRVP. I'm glad it works for you. I'm not a big fan of it. That's what you do? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'm just not a big fan of the VRVP, especially on the way down. On the way up, VRVP is great because I know where to take profits. But I'm very bearish right now, so I'm just looking for downside potentials. And right now, even though we're putting in like bullish divergence, they're getting faded left and right. So right now, Sui technically has bullish divergence. It should go up. Do I think it's going to do that? Not at all. Nope. I really don't think so. And with that being said, we could see this thing drop down something in the realm of, like, for the scalp trader out there, we got our bearish 5-0. We could see this thing fall down anywhere between 254 and 233.9. Alright, salute! So, this thing could be rough for Sui. Sui, what I'd be looking for going into Monday is either a 17 or a 24% drop. Don't get me wrong, you still have the possibility of coming back up to 337.62. I just don't know that you're going to have enough strength to break through it. So just keep that in mind, because you do have a level of former support that could act as resistance. And that's 9.4% to the upside. This market has been doing a great job of stopping everybody out before it dumps. Especially if you look here, you had a wick high, a higher wick before a dump. So just keep that in mind. Stuff like this has been happening. On the 4 hour, normally you'd be like, oh yeah, we fell, we came up, we backtested. It gave you the bearish backtest. It came down, fell a little further, popped up and came back down. So it's like, what? Why you do this to me, bro? What is that? Everybody would have a stop loss right at this wick high. Everybody would have a stop loss right there. They stopped all of them out just to send it. So understand the game. Understand. If I'm a member, don't I jump the list? Jin, you do. You do. The only problem is I have my list, and then we go into all the other. These are not requests. These are just things I'm bringing to your guys' attention, Jin. Just things I'm bringing to your attention. I only got a couple more, though. We got H-bar, ADA, Cake, and BNX. And then we get into the requests. So, yeah. This is so that nights where we have hardly any requests, it turns into I'm not just on for 3 seconds and then turning it off. So, there is some content for everyone. And then also, a lot of times the things that I ask for, or I look at, a lot of other people usually want to see something like it because it is popular. So then I'm just knocking out all of those requests right at the start. So anyways, H-bar is next. H-bar is next. Now, the H-bar, it's doing its damnedest to put in as much bullish divergence as it possibly can, but you are not on support. So, with that being said, you are underneath 25 cents. The longer you stay under it, the more you keep getting faded to the downside. I'm expecting anywhere between 17 and 11 cents. Noted, from this high wick down and the nice retracement you got, it is fully in the cards for you to get a nice retracement all the way down to 7 cents on H-bar. Because remember, it did not backtest a gosh darn thing. So it is a possibility for it to dump down there. How's Baby? Baby is doing phenomenal, actually. I went and saw him today, and it looks like sometime between, I would guess, tomorrow and Wednesday, we're going to be able to bring him home. So finally, after all these days, actually I just got a new band, hold on. After 2 weeks, 14 days, finally going to be able to bring him home. So I'm actually really excited about that. He got his feeding tube taken out of his nose today, so that made me extremely happy. But yeah, things are looking up for the little man. Things are looking up. Alright, so basically what we had here was we had our bearish divergence, and it's just been falling down. Could we catch Varsity Athlete? I mean, he could. He could be one day, but he's going to have to start lifting when he's like 9. Preemie babies, they usually have brittle bones. So I got to make sure his bones are ready to go for everything. Yeah, so this thing right now, you've had 5 days to try and break back above 25 cents. You've been failing. So I'm guessing you're going to find yourself at 17 cents soon. We will see if we can get some support down there. But I would much prefer if we got down to at least 7 cents. That would be my preference for H-bar. And I'm just kind of patiently waiting for the next big flush. Just patiently waiting. Awesome. Good luck with your baby boy. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so that's H-bar. Let's check out ADA. I mean, noted. Remember, all of this is subject to change. We could get some good news, and then all of a sudden we'll find ourselves in the bullish case where we fly up to 55 cents. It's a possibility, guys. It's a possibility. I just really don't think it's going to happen. Anyways, ADA. ADA, 56 cents. To start, 36 cents, extremely possible. Extremely possible. If you stop early, 46 cents, that's fine too. But in reality, I'm going to be looking for this 886 right here at 43.43. Come on down here, ADA. You might be catching a bounce sometime soon. You can go as high as 94 cents and still be bearish. Still be bearish. Your levels below would place in bear market. I don't know if you've noticed, the altcoins have been pretty damn bearish. we've had a Bitcoin institutionalized bull run, and yeah, a few altcoins have been able to go up. We've never gotten really out of the bear market for the altcoins. Never really got out of there. Watch gold when it drops.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
Whoa.
What's the procedure?
What are we doing here? Woozy Bear, thank you so much for the $50 dono. Thank you so much. Holy shit. For baby diapers. I appreciate that. Thank you. Wow. First day here, you're dropping 50? Shit. I'm going to have to make that money back for you. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate that. That was a big deal. Can I do CTX? Yeah, Peter, I got you. Thank you so much for the 99-cent super chat. We will throw it into CTX. Got you covered. What the fuck? LOL. Yeah. No, thank you. Evil Woozy Bear. Freaking champion of the stream out here. Dropping the 50, making you all look bad. Honestly, first day here. Making you all look bad. Yes, sir. Them babies ain't cheap. You are not wrong. You're not wrong at all. Epic. Reusable diapers. I don't even know where to get those, if I'm being honest. No, we're a Huggies family. They are not cheap. And my daughter, she's about to turn 3, still in diapers, almost out. Almost out. It's close. She just bedtime routine. It's not going good. Not going good. Anyway, so ADA out here, definitely can see this thing fall down pretty far. We're looking for that 886. We've already cleared the 618. Ugh, it's gonna be a little rough. Giga Chad. Recycled diapers. No fees. What? I don't want some other kid's crap getting on my kid. No. What? Recycled. That sounds horrible. Alright, now we're distinctively looking for shorts with these last two. Then I'm going to be getting into all of your guys' requests. So, damn it, I missed it on Cake. Son of a bitch. We might actually be looking for longs here. Anyways, Cake, it recently had a very nice move, backtesting its 200 daily. So yeah, that thought before when it was like, oh, we'd be in a bear market. It's like, most altcoins look like this. If you're below your 200-day moving average, it is deemed a bear market. So most alts have not gotten out of their bear market. Most of them. So it's like, oh, well, we've still been in it. Anyways, we have a distinct downtrend on Cake, and now it looks like we're trying to backtest it on the daily. Think those were called cloth diapers. Nasty cleanup with them. That's true. We tried, I think, 2 of them. Oh man, you get one blowout. You regret ever buying them. You're just like, man, I didn't realize so much poop could come out of such a small person. That is wild. So yeah, this looks like a shooting star reversal, which that's not a good look for Cake. On your daily, it's like you tried to break out, you're trying to hold support. I'm just thinking you're not going to. We're going to give this thing a bullish and bearish case. Bearish case, I'm looking for that 886, honestly. 886 will be a good start for this, so coming down a bit further would be ideal. Getting that 12.72% downside. Can I add Pepe to the list? Yes. That would be a great start. That's your bearish case right now. But for your bullish case, since you did have a very nice pullback, you could see this thing rally once again if the market didn't suck on Mondays. Also, keep in mind, Wednesday, everybody, Wednesday night is the first day of a full moon. So also keep that in mind. So bullish case for Cake, we could see this thing go up 57%. I am doubting that's going to happen because that would make the most sense out of anything else in this chart. Do I think that's going to happen? No, I really don't. Oh, we put in the bearish divergence and we pulled back. Now we're fighting to stay above support. We're falling below it. This is a problem. So I'm thinking that that's 12.72% downside is almost baked in. Almost. Thank you. I appreciate it. Love you. Wife brought me food. I'm surprised my eyes are lasting this long, honestly. Why does a full moon make a difference? I wish I knew. I wish I knew. I have no idea. I remember the days I could just shit my pants and someone would come clean me up. Miss that? Rich, how do you remember those days? I wish I remember those days. It's like it's the last time my mother truly loved me. But no, now she just wants me to help her pay for shit. It's crazy. All right, so that's Cake right now. Cake, it is honestly set up very nicely for a short, and I would be looking to put a stop loss somewhere around 181.3 and let it fall. You're always being fed. You you human or something? Yeah, I'm human. Yeah, I gotta eat. Also, I'm back to training a lot. Ugh. My body's just sore all the time. I hate getting older. I really do hate getting older. Alright, BNX is the last one I wanted to look at. So this thing went absolutely ape shit over the weekend. I mean, from low to high, this thing was up over 100. Yeah, from low to high, this went up 274%. So, of course, I'm going to be looking to short it. Of course.
You want to say goodnight to Daddy real quick?
Want to say goodnight? Give me 1 second, guys. Why are you looking at me upside down? Why are you looking upside down? What are you doing?
Night, Daddy.
Want to say hi? Want to say hi? Hi? Hi?
There you go.
There you go.
Yay!
Yay! You did it! Oh. Nope. I want my hugs. Oh. No, you heard it. Love you. Good night. Alright. I'm back. Alright, so looking at this, I mean, the crazier part, there's no bearish divergence. What the fuck? There's zero bearish divergence here. That is oh, wait. From here to here there is. Okay, alright. So I'm expecting this thing to fall down. That's great. Now let's check this out on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour here, we got a couple levels we might be able to find some support. I'd be looking for this one first. Well, how low is this? So BNX right now, if you believe it's going to go down, we could see this thing drop 36%. You would just need a stop loss above this wick high at 6409. So this one is one that I really do want to short, so I'm kind of diving into it a little bit. Oh yeah, you just lost your 50 simple. Oh, this is great. This is great. I like this setup. Oh, it's set up almost perfectly. So BNX, I would want to short this bad boy all the way down to 33.85, but I would have an alert set up at 377. So this one looks really good, ready to go. Got the nice wick high, couldn't get any more bids. Looks like it's rolling over. This looks good to me for a short. BNX. So yeah, anyways, let's get into all of the requests, and then let's go from there. Noted, not many requests here, so this is going to be a quick night. Anyways, by the way, Woozy, do you have any requests? Because if you do, we will dive into that first. You are top dono of the night. You're King Larry out here, and you are a subscriber as well. You are really putting everybody to shame. Are you still able to do CTX? Oh, yes, I can. Yeah, Peter. We have to see if we can find car. We got Caspa for Jin, and then we got CTX for you. Anyways, let's see if we can find car. No, we can't. Just LTC? Got you covered, Woozy. Got you covered. LTC. Alright, we're going to do LTC first. You want gold? Jay wants gold. Alright. I gotta remember what gold's ticker is. Can you tell me what gold's ticker is? That, my friend, is priceless. Great guy. I mean, yeah. All right, let's check out LTC. LT Sizzle. LTC's up 5% on the new day. Okay. Let's go out to the weekly here. Let's see what we got. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Wow. So you mean to tell me you managed to hold... Oh, there's a wick at the top of it. Damn. I thought you just had a bullish hammer on the weekly. Holy crap. XAU, got it. CFD slash XAU. CFD XAU. Congratulations on baby. Creator bid new competitor to virtuals. We will check it out if I can find it. So bid. We will check it out if I can find it. All right. So this thing looks pretty good. It's not a hammer reversal pattern, but I want to say it's a dragonfly, but it's on the weekly. This is actually really powerful for LTC. This is a big deal. That's a massive wick. I think this is called a dragonfly. But let's look at your daily. Let's look at your daily real quick. Daily looking really solid for Litecoin. Looking really solid, actually. Not looking bad. Got your higher lows going. We're just going to negate this. But it had a hammer too? Alright, so here you can see the difference. This is a hammer. Hammer reversal pattern. All of this made no sense. This makes sense. So right now, LTC does look prepped, prime, and ready for an actual breakout and a positive move. Your MACD looks like it wants to flip bullishly. This is a really, really good sign. Your measured move right now for LTC is to go up to $197. But your overhead resistance is at 280. We might see Litecoin finally have its day. But I'm looking for 74.9% to the upside on this next leg up. This looks actually really good. Your 4 hour has to poop on the parade though. Why is your CCI indicator so very high? That's disappointing. You might see a little bit of turbulence overnight, but I'm still thinking you're going to have a nice move to the upside. On the shorter time frame here, you could be seeing a move up to this right here at 128.03. That would be where I'd target next. So you still have a little meat on the bone. You could still see this thing rally up another 13%. So LTC looking really strong. All you got to do is break some resistance. That's it. Your daily wants it. Your weekly really wants it. It looks really good. CFD slash gold is the derivative you can use, or XAU USD. Okay, I got you. No worries. We'll check them. We'll check out the CFD XAU. Awesome, thanks, bro. No problem, Woozy. I'm more surprised that Litecoin looks good. That's actually a really big surprise. Really? Yeah, that's a big surprise. You're on a confirmed breakout right now. Weird. Anyways, next we got couldn't find car. Let's check out Caspa. You're all done? All right, buddy. All right, buddy. So, checking out Cass. Caspa's doing nothing good. Nothing good at all. Let's check it out on the daily. It's kind of looking like a limp noodle, honestly. Looking like a limp noodle. So, the problem is, you had this beautiful beautiful demand line here. You broke out of it, you back tested it, came down, you back tested it again, and then you just kept getting faded to the downside. So right now, the fact that you're still getting held down by that demand line, and you've been held down for the last 4 days, and we have terrible news coming tomorrow, I'm going to lean a lot more toward coming down 41%, but that doesn't mean you cannot go up. Your bullish case scenario is to go up to 144321. You do C98 already? No, Connor, not yet. We will check it out for you. So this thing, I am leaning toward 41% downside eventually, hitting support down at 50691. But if we do get a break to the upside, because we are overextended to the downside, we could see it at a minimum go test that 50 symbol moving average on the daily, which is sitting at 119764. So that's what I would be aiming at if it does get a break to the upside. Just a bearish back test and a lower high before getting ready to go lower. That's my opinion. It could change. We'll see what happens on the full moon. But I don't think tomorrow's going to be a good day for crypto, honestly. I really don't think it's going to be a good day. And leading up into Wednesday, Jerome Powell's going to be, I guess, doing a hearing or something. He's talking, so of course the markets are going to act ridiculous. But bullish case, 37% upside. Bearish case, 41% downside. It's literally a flip of a coin because you are sitting in between two levels of support and resistance. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow is the announcement of the trade wars and Wall Street opening. That's really what it is. Trade wars with China. That's all it is. They go into full effect tomorrow. 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum, where last time Trump raised the steel and aluminum price, a lot of companies lost a ton of money. And then, of course, on U.S. oil and something else, it's going to be tariffed. U.S. oil and steel going to be tariffed 10 to 15% going into China. So yeah, it's going to be a fun day. Anime and Ramen. Yes, I love you. What is up, Anime and Ramen? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. How are you doing? Trade wars with China sounds like a good anime. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. I have been looking for a Caspa streamer for a long time. Finally, Caspa. Anime and Ramen, I take all requests. This was a request today, but I'm glad you came in for that. But don't worry, if you do find my YouTube channel, you'll see I cover all trade setups, but I also cover, I used to cover brand new coins. Join the Discord. It's a free Discord. And any brand new KRC20 tokens that pop up, don't worry, I'll be posting in there. Still gonna give you guys the alpha. Wait, what do you think of Caspa? No, I think it's gonna be a great token. I was wrong about where the lows were. So right now that we're not holding the lows anymore, I think we're about to fall down to this level down here at 50691. 41% downside is my thought. If you're not holding support, you're going to use it as resistance. So, normally what happens is you go down and you find more support. And since you broke out without ever backtesting it, it makes the most sense. But over time in this bull run, I think Casper is going to do fantastic. Just not right now. From a trading aspect, it is set up in a very good spot to go short, and you can make money to the downside. I think you're going to get some weird pop overnight, maybe, because like a wick like this could happen, and then just roll over. Do you know what is releasing in April? No, I don't have a clue. Chat, can we lightly touch the like, please? Yes, listen to Rich. Touch the like button. Do that. Alright, so let's move on. We're going to go to CTX. CTX. It's for you, Peter. It's for you. CTX. We keep falling. We have found resistance at this $3.75 level. So, as I expected before, looks like we're going to be moseying our way down to $2.25. Give it enough time, we'll get down there. Give it enough time. The upside just isn't coming just yet. So, yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. 4 hours still has room to fall. Let's check out your daily. Check out your daily time frame. You're still above the 50 simple moving average, which is great. However, you still could go down and test that 200 simple moving average, and I believe that would be your 886. Let's get rid of this real quick. I believe that would be the 886 after the impulse up. Oh, you're almost there. Holy shit. All right, good thing we checked that. So right now your 886 is sitting at 27518. If you can find support off of your 50 simple moving average, well, now you're in play to start seeing another run to the upside. You have to wait and see though. You do not have any type of bullish anything. You're just sitting in neutral territory while trending down. So until the downtrend is broken and you start putting in higher lows, you are still expecting the downtrend to stay intact. So, yeah, over time, it would not be a surprise to me if you came all the way down to 225. Note it. If you caught a bounce off that 886 and started running up, get the higher low. Now I can start talking about much higher prices. But until that happens, bearish until broken out. And your current downtrend right now for this thing looks kind of like this. So even if you rally, if you don't break this downtrend, still bearish. It's just giving you more opportunities to get into shorting plays. So, yeah, that's what I'm seeing right here. That is what I'm seeing. Your 1 hour is trying to give you some bullish divergence. Yep, 1 hour is giving you that bullish divergence, so you could see a little pop to the upside. If you do get that move to the upside, I'm just looking at a golden retrace, possibly. So your bullish case right now is about a 12% move to the upside. After that 12%, might be coming down again. You just might. You're kind of in no man's land. So there you go. That's what I see out of this thing. CTX. Could go up overnight, could go down really bad afterwards. $34% after that? You know, I'm going to have to pay attention to this one. I'm going to have to pay attention to this. But I think I can trade this. I looked it up. I think I can trade this. All right, moving on. We got Trump coin. So we looked at Trump a couple times. It looked oh, you're bleeding out. Good. God, there's no reason this thing should be up ever. Anyways, checking out the 4 hour. Man, you got some bullish divergence. Holy shit. You have triple bullish divergence right now on Trump coin. On the 4 hour. Let's check your daily. Daily has nothing. Yeah, triple bullish divergence on the 4 hour. It's weird. Alright, for shits and giggles, if you happen to hold, you could see this thing rally up something like 130%. Can't donate at the moment. All I can offer you and the community watching, best indicator buy sell signal by Yash Gotti 9. Mo money, I will check it out after the stream. Yash Gotti. I'll see if I can find it. He was at the Super Bowl. Makes sense. It's pretty funny. So, yeah, this thing, triple bullish divergence, people are buying it, apparently. So, you could see this thing rally based off the falling wedge pattern. You could see it come up all the way to $33.55. Do I think that's going to happen? No. No, I don't. Could it happen? Sure. Sure, it could. I still think you're in price discovery to the downside, though. But you do have a brand new downtrend that you need to break out of. right there, and it's another goddamn wedge. Jesus. So that could happen too. Getting up to $20.62. You need a confirmed back test. You need it. Anyways, that's what I see out of Trump coin. I mean, there's no levels below you, so you're still in price discovery to the downside. I have no idea how low this thing can go. No idea. All I can do is speculate, and the speculation was saying $11.84. We're close. We are very close. But let's just say something like this happens, because you did get to the 618. You wouldn't even do it from there. You do it from here. Almost got the 618. You could be looking for 1108. So a lot of things converging around this level down here. So I would be looking out for that. So I would think you're going to come down just a bit further. That is my thought. How about that T-Mobile Starlink combo? LOL, T-Mobile is going to be the dominant provider. I might pick up a few shares of it in the morning. Wait, I didn't even see that. Oh shit. Wait, was that one of the commercials? Damn. I'm going to have to I really am going to look up all the commercials as soon as I'm off stream. That indicator looks pretty good, not going to lie. Oh, really? Wow. So it's literally called Buy Sell Signal, and it's by Yoshi Gotti. That's good, fees. I'm going to have to check it out. Mo Money gave it to us. I will look at it. Yeah, it was a commercial. Damn, I need to check it out. No, if that is the case, anything partnering up with Starlink, yeah, oh, Elon tweeted it? I'm going to look all that shit up. Anything with Starlink that starts going public, I am freaking in. I'm in there like swimwear. I am in there like swimwear. I'm going crazy in that. Tell you what. Every phone, a satellite phone via Starlink. It's in beta now. That's fucking amazing. That is actually amazing. Just added to faves. Seriously, just added to faves. Like, let's go. Oh, Mr. Sank Gaming, welcome in. Welcome in. No, I didn't know that. That if they're making everything a satellite phone, oh man, I go into the woods and I hate that I get no service, yet somehow my Onyx Maps works, but that would be insane. Actually, hold on. That would be kind of bad. Now I wouldn't have it. My wife would call me. I'd be able to answer. I'd be like, you just scared the animal away. What are we doing? Oh, Swarm's looking good. Lucky for you all, T-Mobile is retracing from all-time highs. That is good. That is really good. Wow. This thing actually looks really nice. Swarms, whoever requested this one, good request. Got a nice little Adam and Eve double bottom on the 4-hour. High or low? This thing looks like it's ready to run. Let's check out the daily. Does it look as good? Your daily looks meh. Looks a little meh. It's not that bad. Alright, bullish case scenario here. It's already started. But bullish case scenario. I'll see you at 7264. Something like that. 30% upside in the short term. But an even better look at what could happen is the golden retrace. You could get anywhere between that 30 and possibly as high as the golden retrace, 196% upside. This does look like it's getting ready to go on a little jog to the upside. Let's see what happens on this, but it looks really good. Really good. You had your low, you doubled, you got your higher low. It has all the makings of going up. If you start falling, well then I'll see you back down at 1203. kind of hit or miss on this one, but I'm thinking the golden retrace could be coming. 196% upside would be what you're looking for. Could I check Kitty? Sure, we can check out Kitty. Tell her it's cloudy. Tell her it's cloudy. That's funny. Kitty, Sats needs loss. Wait, what? Sats needs LOS? I don't know what that means, JB. Can you fill me in on that? Alright, let's check out Turbo. Let's check out Turbo. Turbo, you're doing your best. But your best might not matter. Turbo's trying its damnedest to go up. Line of sight. Oh! Satellites need line of sight? Got it. Yeah, I didn't pick up on that one bit. So Turbo, you are expecting to get a bounce right here. It's just, it's not moving. The longer you stay pegged down to support, the less likely I think you're going to go up. But I do think a back test of your 200 daily moving average would be in order. Satellites need line of sight. You were talking about your wife being able to reach you on the satellite phone. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. However, my wife also knows my hunting style. She'll be like, "You're full of shit." I'm like, that's fair. I don't like hiding in trees. I like taking high ground and aiming down at the animals. So So yeah, I usually have, but hey, if clouds will stop it, great. Perfect. So yeah, Turbo's kind of a toss-up right now. You're looking for it to start going up. The only problem I see is you don't have bullish divergence. That's kind of the... Oh wait, you do have bullish divergence. Hold on, wait. You have hidden bullish divergence. I take it back. So you have hidden bullish divergence here. So you should see this thing at least get up to that 200 simple moving average. We're looking for around 75% upside eventually. Did I check ski yet? Not yet. It's next though. It's next. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, 4 hour does look like it's getting ready to do something. Nope, clouds do not. Well, shit. Well, shit. So looking at Turbo right here, you had a downtrend, you broke out, you back tested support. You do have the opportunity of going up. If you're trying to scalp trade this one, what you're looking for, as long as supports hold, is to get up to 55042. So you could see this thing go up 2 separate levels, 43 to 74% upside. Shar, welcome back. Hello there. Can you let us know if you find anything good to invest in with Starlink? Sorry that I that way random. It's all good. Charles, what is up? How you doing? But yeah, Shar, I'll definitely let everybody know. Don't you worry. I look into Starlink pretty often because I think it's like one of the greatest things. One day I decided to look up where most of the World Wide Web comes from. I don't think most people realize over like 90 or 95% of the World Wide Web, it's through cables that are ran through the ocean. So the fact that Starlink can access the internet and its satellites, already better, way better. So yeah, I like everything about Starlink. Honestly, I really do. But they are a private company, so I was like, damn it. Anyways, Turbo right now, we do have the possibility of like 43% upside on the next leg up if you get the leg up. Bearish case scenario, we'll see you back down at 11423. TA on Jail Stool coin, if you can. Might need the 1 hour chart, please. All right, we will. Jail Stool. All right. Jail Stool. Never heard of that one. Bandwidth limited 2, I think. Yeah. How the hell did they install those cables? So it's kind of like how fishing boats run nets. They basically just troll along and they're just dumping cable. And then it just connects somewhere on shore. Anyways, ski. It's a Solana meme coin. Alright, me Damien. Alright, we will see if we can find it. If I have to go to Deck Screener, you already know the rules. I don't go there. So I hope I don't have to. Looking at Ski Mask Dog, you are still hanging out inside of your consolidation. Merman and Mermaid Slaves. Wouldn't surprise me if the government had those. After I saw this crazy spending, wouldn't surprise me. Honestly, I figured U.S. aid would have something like that. Where all of a sudden we find out mer people are real. Be like, wait a minute. We're giving funding to mer people? What is that? Can we look at Arweave? I can't believe the shit came back. I look at my portfolio, go from 20k down to 2k, and it started with to what I started with, but this is your first run. But I learned a lot from. Oh, that's wild. So Arweave, we'll check it out. Yeah, a lot of people hold it for the round trip, and hopefully you never do that again. Hopefully never again. So looks like you're. We gotta look at it on the daily. So Ski Mask Dog on the daily, I mean, is it a double bottom? Yeah, I guess a double bottom's here. Either way, you do have a falling wedge, so you're basically just playing off the wedge. I love Caspa. That's great. Anime and Robin. Caspa's not a bad project. It's just new. So that's the only thing. It's just new. But it solves the scaling issue for proof of work, so that's a good thing. We'll see how it does this bull run. Well, when we get the real bull run for altcoins. We just haven't had it yet. Alright, so your daily here. If you manage to get a break to the upside above 12.7, then you could see this thing rally up like crazy. 179% to the upside, getting you to 35 cents. But you really do right now want to hold this level at 792. If you don't hold that level, well, you could very well be coming down to 515 based off your Fibonacci retracement levels. I don't think you're going to go negative, so you don't have to worry about that. But the 515 definitely could happen. Definitely could happen. If you're looking for companies to short, DGLY is a good one. Lost me 75k on that company. Kept my stocks though before they were taken. Really? That's wild. We'll have to take a look at that one day. DGLY. I'm going to write that down. I want to check out the stock. I need to start looking into more stocks. I really do. Alrighty. So looking at your 1 hour. 1 hour did give you your bullish divergence. You popped up. You're now setting your higher low. So this is showing Ski Mask Dog should. I'm going to say should because noted. I think we're going to have a lot of turbulence tomorrow morning. But it should be able to get up to 1513. And that would be your breakout. So let's see if you can get it. That's a 45% move. Wow, Ski Mask Dog wanting to do something. We'll see if it can do it. We'll see if it has legs. DGLY. Let's see what this thing is. Let's go out to the weekly. Oh my god. That looks terrible. Oh my. I mean, would you even still short this? Like, you just have no idea if it's going to keep falling. If it stops falling, you're going to put in bullish divergence on the weekly. You already have bullish divergence on the weekly. From back here. I don't know. This thing could be done falling. Could be. Oh, that's an ugly pattern. I don't like that. That's an ugly pattern. This thing just keeps dying. Yeah, it was a brutal ride down. Yeah, it looks like it. Did they get sued? Did they go out of business? What happened? CEOs corrupt as fuck? I mean, yeah, that's fair. Dang. Dang. You went from $142 to 17 cents? I'm sorry. I wouldn't touch this for anything. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oof. All right, we're just gonna move on from that. Ouch. Sorry to hear that. Damn. That's rough. Ugh. Let's go look at Pepe instead. Let's look at a good investment over that. Jesus. Bitcoin dominance is showing much weakness. Should be a good day for alts. We'll see. We shall see. I hope so. JB, what the fuck? Right? So bad. Alrighty. So it looks like we got the 20% downside. Lessons learned, right? Oh, that seemed like a big lesson. That looked rough. So it looks like Pepe is finally breaking its 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight weeks of falling. Maybe. You have no bullish divergence and you still have room to fall on the weekly. Checking out your daily. You are dragging your nuts on the ground. Oh no. With no bullish divergence either. Oh wait, hidden bullish divergence is there. Hey, look at that. You got the hidden bullish div. Oh. Sweet. That's cool. So yeah, you have a possibility of going up. I'm thinking maybe you're gonna go up and test that 200 daily moving average. Just maybe. And if it does happen, you could see yourself go up 37%. However, if you don't and you continue your downtrend, I'll see you at 541. I will see you down there. Let's get into your lower time frames. 4-hour time frame. Kind of high. I don't like that. You're getting very close to that 50 simple moving average, which could give you the license to start falling down. Also, your relative strength's getting awfully high compared to this right here. It's starting to look like that hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour. I don't like that. If you end up getting into overbought territory without taking out this high, hidden bearish divergence, even if you get that move to 37% upside, you'd be looking for a flush to the downside. So even in your bullish case scenario, it's looking like you're still going to fall. Holy crap. Yeah. Looking like even in your bullish case scenario, coming up, let's just say you get the full move, you can see 41% upside, you're still making a lower high. And you would expect to see way more downside after that, if you don't put in a higher low. There's a lot of ifs here, if you don't put in a higher low. Celsius, what is that one? C-E-L? Celsius? Or is that the weird one? T-A-O? Is that what Celsius is? What's the ticker for Celsius? I forgot. Is that one TAO? Damn. I totally forgot. Oh, you're finding so much resistance right here. You're finding a lot of resistance right at 984. I mean, a lot of resistance right there. And your relative strength was just going up off of it. That is quite a shame. So this is what I mean by that hidden bearish divergence. So if you do not break that recent high, I would be looking at it in the bearish sense. Because you did get to that 618. You didn't quite get to the bearish 5-0. But you could be falling down to 658. So yeah, your downside potential here is pretty strong. Because you still have 2 downsloping levels of resistance that you need to break out of. So your bullish case at the moment, 41% upside. Your bearish case is at 43% to the downside. Celsius, I'll look up the ticker, it's fine. Porky, are you holding Pepe? No, I'm not. Pepe is one of those weird ones where, like, I saw it often, I just never actually bought it. I had it before and then it kept falling, so I sold it again. I was like, yeah, I'm good. I don't need to hold this. It's fine. CFDXAU. Oh, so you're shorting it. Wait, that's CFF. Okay, that's not what we're looking for. I guess we're going with XAU USD. There we go. We'll go with this one, the top one. All right, so looking at gold, check it out on the weekly real quick. It is insane. Wow. No distribution? Are you serious? There's no... Oh my goodness. No distribution. This thing is just running. Wow. I mean, it makes sense though. As central banks continue to cut rates, it's not working for their economies. So it makes sense gold is still going up. But this is insane. Oh my goodness. We're looking for gold to get up to $3,104? Wow. That's impressive. Let's check out your daily. So your daily had the bearish div. Nothing really happened there. Yeah, you reset and you just kept going. Holy shit. Gold's looking really, really strong. Really strong. We could see this thing rally up another 7.8%. Holy crap. And this thing's open right now, so people are already trading it. Wow. That's impressive. Jesus. All right. Let's check out bid. You are in overbought territory right now on the daily. So, I mean, even if you do pull back, you're going to look for support at 2,749. So, even if you pull back, you still got support right there. But in reality, you are looking for this thing to get up to $3,104. Wow. That's actually impressive. That's actually impressive. Bid. Let's check out bid. Creator bid. This is what you were talking about. Wow. This is interesting. You're broken out. So that's good. I don't like this chart. I really don't like this chart. I will tell you that. I don't like it. What a strange little falling wedge here. All you got was an oversold bounce. That is all you got. So I still have to think of this as bearish. I don't see the bullish divergence that I would like to see. So this thing could continue rallying all the way up to like 10112. Bad for BTC. If gold keeps rallying, yeah, that's, I guess. A cop told me to buy gold. He said he had inside knowledge it's going up. I don't know how you have inside knowledge of owning gold, because the world buys it all the time. But, you know, it makes sense. Economies are not doing good. They are not doing good at all. Hold on, I gotta look up the ticker for Celsius real quick. It's kind of driving me nuts that I don't have it. Oh, that's what it is. CEL. Got it. Alright, I got it. Anyways, so on the positive side, you could see this thing rally up 66%. Negative side, I mean, you could be coming down to 332. This is kind of a weird one to look at. Wow, that's 94%. That's 94%. That's wild. So this is kind of a weird one because it had this crazy gap up and now it's just bleeding out. But that's your bullish and bearish case from what I'm seeing. You even have a wick high, and yeah, we'll see what happens. It's just, yeah, this thing looks strange. You got overbought. You're bullishly consolidating at least. Got a nice higher low. So yeah, I would be leaning toward that bullish case, but you need to put in a couple more higher lows for me to feel comfortable on this one. You got below that 50% retrace. That's great. Lines up almost perfectly. So yeah. He said the government has started buying it. The government started buying it, or they have been. Alright, there's your bullish and bearish case. You could go up 80% or down 94%. Let's hope for the positive. Let's hope for the positive. Market seems to be turning green right now, so let's stay hopeful. I'm not going to be trading tonight, so let's stay hopeful. All right, that's bid. Let's check out C98. Gold will always go up. I should find some gold mining companies to invest in. Gold will always go up, but I definitely think it's better to own physical gold over paper gold. So go to Costco and buy some gold. They're actually reasonably priced. You can get little gold bars. It's kind of cool. Going into C98, we're getting a breakout right now. Look at that. On the 1 hour. Oh, this is like a real breakout on the 1 hour. This is great. You got a full reset and everything. Wow, this could have some legs to it. Could. You have resistance sitting overhead at 1051. But we're looking for golden retraces out here. We're looking for that golden retrace. 117% upside. You're finally getting that breakout that we've been looking for a while now. Let's see if it actually plays out. Noted. Keep in mind, every time you break out of a downtrend, you are very likely to backtest the previous low. So just be prepared. Bottoming out, it does matter. Man, I've been look at that indicator on so many different coins and time frames. This thing is sick. Oh, very nice. Darrell Brooks, the Waukesha, whatever, massacre guy, had to move to Colorado due to inmates betting. And great. Oh, got it. Okay, interesting. What a weird thing. Wow. Okay. Bit of a cheat code. Really? So Mo Money came out with the best indicator ever? Love it. Love it. I'm just hoping the market doesn't keep acting weird. That's all I hope for. Just stop acting weird. But we've been acting weird for like 2 weeks straight. Massacre guy had to be moved to Colorado due to inmates beating and graping him. Oh, that's wild. He had to be moved because he was getting... Oh, that's too bad. Oh, man, I feel so bad for him. He massacred a bunch of people. Oh, I feel really bad for him. No. BTC on the move? It seems like it. Everything's green. Seems like BTC's on the move. All right, C98. If we do have this nice bullish break and we do continue to the upside, you could see yourself at 20 cents once again. That is about 117% upside. But remember, it is always likely that you will come down and test the lows before the breakout as a formal back test. So just keep that in mind. Just keep it in mind. It happens. I worked in prisons up in Colorado for a few years. Wow. Yeah, of course it happens. Of course. Guys in there, they get lonely or they just want dominance. It's one or the other. So let's check out Kitty. Roaring Kitty. Kitty! Sorry, my daughter's been watching Monsters Inc. a lot, so every time I hear Kitty, I just think of Boo from Monsters Inc. Alright, Roaring Kitty. It's not looking good out here. It's not looking good. Maybe you're trying to find a bottom now, but you have resistance overhead at 1974. So just maybe, because you know you've held this level for 2 weeks, looking like you could get a retrace. That Yash indicator's trash. Got one better. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, let's check out your daily. Do we have the bullish dib that I look for all the time? We do. We have, oh wow, we got a lot of bullish diver. Wait a minute. We have a contender. We have a contender. So first off, I'm going to be looking for this golden retrace. First things first. Golden retrace. Second thing, high or low. These are the things I look for. Could it blast off and go way higher? Yeah, sure. But, you know, we're going to stick to some framework based off of the random craziness in the market lately. You can go up 53, 70, or even test some resistance at 79% upside. This is what I'm seeing here. He's going to the same prison as El Chapo in Colorado. Nice. I just literally tested it. Oh, boy. Oh, you just literally tested the Yash indicator? I will definitely say every indicator works way better when you're not trading sideways. If you're not trading sideways, every indicator works so much better. As soon as you're going sideways, you're like, every indicator sucks. It's so bad. All right, let's look at it from this point of view. It's looking like you're getting a higher low. So in this short term, you could see this thing rally up to 13.77. It is a possibility. The nice thing is, you know exactly where to put your stop loss. Right below this wick, sitting at 961. You have the possibility of 25% upside, 53%, 70, or even 79%. Optimized? Is that the name of it? I will check these indicators out after stream. Check it out. What's it called? I think it's called Optimized. Check. Get the man up to 40 likes. We only have 37 viewers. I don't know if we can get there. I don't know. But that's Kitty. Let's go ahead and check out Jail Stool. Jail Break Me? On Solana? You mentioned it was on Solana. I don't know if Meet Damien's still here, but I guess I can check out Jail Break Me. I don't know about Jail Stool. Maybe it's Jailbreak Me. I don't know. I don't know. No, but it's a hint? Oh, gotcha. Thanks, bro. No problem, Mr. Sank. No problem. This means XRP going to the moon? Oh, stop it. Actually, somebody said in 4 days, so I think they still have one more day for XRP to hit $5. One more day. It's a meme coin. Came out yesterday. Oh, Jailbait Stool? Damn. So it's not this one that I'm looking at it dying? This is not it. This is not it. This is the problem with anything that's on Deck Screener. Same problem happens on TradingView. Oh boy. Anyways, this doesn't look any better. You're down 12%. About David Portnoy rugging his coin and going to jail. Oh, that's pretty funny. So Barstool, jail stool. That makes sense. That makes sense. Jail. What? Jail stool. Not Jailbreak Me. Jail stool. So I'm going to get off this chart. Arweave. Arweave. You're finding support. Thank goodness. Arweave has a possibility of doing something good. People rotate in and out of the stream, and the people here now may not have been here earlier in the stream. 2 minute numbers. Don't have to be much correction. Oh, that's good. That's fair. Never understood meme coins, so it like throws your money in a pot, and if you're the last one to pull out, you lose. Woozy, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. That's accurate. That is accurate. James, it's your 21st birthday. Wait, what? It's your 21st birthday. You did your jazz piano audition today in San Diego State. Well, congratulations on turning 21, James. Hopefully you are enjoying the 21st birthday. Also, I had many a good times at San Diego State, let me tell you. Whew! You are there at the wrong time of year though. You need to be there closer to summer or like Labor Day weekend. Hit up Mission Beach, Pacific Beach, Mission Beach. Either one works, but also hit up Frat Row. It's a great place. Don't look at stocks at all today, really. It's all good, James. But hey, I didn't realize you were so young. Congratulations. 21 was a great time. Do not go to downtown San Diego. Go hit up the strip of bars right next to Rob Field and next to SeaWorld. It's a great place. Great place. It looks like a random neighborhood. It's a great time down there. There was a meme coin that came out today that ran up 900 million market cap, and there was hundreds of guys who became millionaires of it. Spam is one of the best meats I've ever tasted. Jay, what? Spam? No, stop it. Are you an islander? Man. Wow, that had some typos in it. All my English teachers rolling over in their graves. Yeah, my English teachers just feel like they never taught me anything. To be fair, I hit on one of my English teachers nonstop junior year of high school. I really did. She was a beauty, though. She was. Did I miss sell? No, we're actually checking it out right after this one. It's the last request of the night, which is great because I have to wake up at like 5 a.m. So there's that. It's been a long while since I did a jazz gig too. My friends played Happy Birthday at the end, and it was trolly. It better be trolly if they're your friends. God, it would be terrible if they actually like respected you. Jeez. Staff were like, we got to get you a beer. I was like, not gonna lie, I smoke weed. Yeah, but that's the whole thing about turning 21. That's the whole thing. But hey, happy birthday, James. Damn, you lucked out. All mine were in their late 60s and early 70s. Alcoholics. James, you don't understand alcoholics. Come on, man. You don't understand. Alcoholics have dedication. Let's check the 4 hour here. Not the 3. Check the 4 hour here for Arweave. You have bullish divergence on Arweave on the 4 hour. This is good. Whoever brought up spam, I hate you. You're craving spam? Oh, really? Ew. Replay. RAI. Charles, we'll check it out for you. RAI. Got you covered. Love you guys. No, spam is terrible. Gonna give you a great community. James, James, seriously, get out there. Go spend some time on the town. Go to a bar. Have some fun, man. Be a youngster. Make some mistakes. Have some fun. It's actually a good time to be 21. Or he was bearish on SPY like a boss when we got that big red bar. I mean, stocks are a lot easier for me to read. That's all it is. They're just easier for me to read. Spam basically salt. It really is salt. I'm going out with your friends soon. Very nice, James. Oh, by the way, James, big thing. It's your birthday. Just remember that. Do not buy any women's shots. Also, if you haven't had fun out at bars yet, talk to the older ones. Have a good time. Gotta do it Friday. Not gonna lie, Sunday ain't that lit. Gotta do it Friday. No, you are. It is the Super Bowl, brother. Your birthday fell on the Super Bowl. Are you kidding me? Bruh. My friend who bar hops will go out when my other bro turns 21. Alright, Porky, your women advice is better than every finance streamer. I was single once. But I'm just trying to tell you how to get free drinks. It's your 21st birthday. Terrible at sports, though. You don't have to be good at sports. Just understand, people are out this Sunday. This Sunday, people are out. And if you go like, it's my birthday, find anyone with Eagles anything. They'll buy you drinks all night. They will buy you all the drinks. Central African Republic meme hit 900 million. Oh yeah, that's CAR. C-A-R. Yo, what's up, DZ? How you doing? This is what I'm seeing out of Arweave. I would expect the breakout, the back test, one more back test. 32% upside is likely to happen. Could go a bit further. You could find yourself at 14, 16. But this is what I'm seeing. Did I do Ondo and ABT? I did do Ondo. Ondo was like the third crypto I did. But did not do ABT. We'll check out ABT. Watch hour for... that's good advice, Jay. Watch out for herps. Watch it out. Life of a stock market guy. Oh, boy. But no, yeah, real talk. It's a good time out in San Diego. It really is. Just I really hope you're not in downtown San Diego, because that place kind of sucks now. Too many homeless. Too many homeless, and the hotels are too expensive for what you're getting. It's just, it's annoying. Parties can never go late because gotta be up for the tariff flash crash. Oh boy. You know, sometimes you can just stay out of the charts. It's okay to take a day off, especially when it's your birthday. Alright, let's check out Cell. Celsius. San Diego is lit. Some parts. Downtown kind of sucks. Got a 40% chance with herps when hooking up with chicks. Is it really that high now? Oh man, I couldn't imagine being young nowadays. I really couldn't. Everything can be caught in 4K. You got all these girls just learning better ways to take advantage of dudes. Heck, go find yourself one of those TikTok girls. They could pay for you. Like, just, man. We got a SPX flash crash today. I only knew because I got an alert. Nice. AIXBT. Thank you. AIXBT. Got you covered on that one, Danny White. Got you covered. Alright, we're just trying to get these levels here. Those are the two that I care about down there. Well, every time you come down here, you usually blast off on the weekly. Every single time. Weird. Celsius, I guess. If history repeats itself, if the same traders are playing with this thing, you're expecting a blast off. What's the market looking like for tomorrow? Honestly, the tariffs are getting announced tomorrow. I think the markets are going to be pretty bloody at open. I think they're going to be pretty bad. You've been short ICP? Makes sense. Boy, has it been a bitch. Only thing I attract these days are single mothers with 4 kids. Dang, Woozy, that's tough. 4 kids? Oof. That's a lot of kids. That's a lot of kids. I have 2 kids and a nephew. And 3 kids feels like a lot. It feels like a lot. Alright, these are levels I care about for Celsius in the short term. Let's check out your daily. Daily, you are showing bullish divergence. That's great. Too bad you haven't had liftoff. Steel and iron tariffs 25%. It's steel and iron? I thought it was aluminum. Steel and aluminum. Easier to buy a 6-pack of socks. STD free. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Y'all are dark. Stay away from my girlfriend, Woozy. Oh, no. Woozy's like, oh, hold on a second. What was her name? Yeah, I quit dating. Gonna enjoy your late 30s making money with no drama. Yeah, that's what a lot of people do, right? I don't know. I'm hitting 35 February 28th. And, you know what? I'm happy I'm married. I'm very happy I'm married. Because I actually got me a winner. I mean, heck, you guys see my wife bringing me dinner every single night while I'm streaming. You see it. Not here to flex. Low-key flexing a little bit. I could see Celsius going up 73%. It looks so bullish. I really hope it doesn't get disrespected. You don't want it to go below 11.29 though. So this is what I'm seeing. That would be a double top, wouldn't it? That'd be kind of a shame. Hopefully that doesn't happen. No way. February birthday to Porky. Let's go. Yeah, that's the 28th. All my life, it's been the 28th. It hasn't changed. It's crazy. That's better than winning the lottery. It actually is. Honestly, it really is. Me and my best bro are like 3 days apart. Oh, that's crazy. When you start making money, you'll start attracting the women with only 2 kids. Oh, that's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. So yeah, Celsius, it's kind of a weird one, but it does look like it's trying to get ready to go. If you do get faded to the downside, you're looking to hold that 1129 level. It's from this level, it's kind of a hit or miss on what's going to happen. Maybe you fall 21%, maybe, but you're really hoping it doesn't. Anyways, moving along. Let's check out RAI. RAI, Reploy. I chose the wrong exchange. Oh my god, I chose it again. Jesus. Alright, looking at Reploy, you are just falling into the abyss, aren't you? Aren't you? Looks like you're finally leveling out, which is nice. You might even have... It's technical bullish divergence. Beautiful. Oh boy, am I mad at Spotify chart? Don't be mad at charts. Just focus on having a good time tonight. What are you doing? Is 10 BPS good? BPS. I don't understand. 10 bips? Usually that just means like 0.1%. I hope that's not what you mean. 10 BPS. Yeah, I don't even know what that means. Do you know Dave Portnoy? Yeah, I know who he is, but I don't understand the 10 BPS. Alright, your bullish case scenario. Wow, that's actually a lot. Bullish case scenario, you could see yourself going up 81%. Blocks per second. 10 blocks per second? I actually have no idea if that's a good thing or not. I do really need to understand the speed thing, because every time I hear anything about speed, I'm like, I have no idea what the hell this means. Dave Portnoy released a meme coin last night. It went up over 2 million%. That's crazy. That's crazy. Mail-in order brides aren't sounding too bad these days. Well, you gotta be more like the passport bros. Just go to the other country. Get a vacation out of it. If you live in America, most other countries are on discount right now. Just enjoy the vacation. Find a wife. You know, no big deal. You have bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So RAI is trying to make a move to the upside. I just really don't like what happened here, making that lower low. So the possibility of a breakout is there. You'd be looking for 81% move to the upside if you can break out. Otherwise, you are still in price discovery to the downside, and that's why I wouldn't really like this gamble. I would say wait for the breakout and the back test before trying to make a move. If it just blasts off and it hits 532, short it. Like, it's probably coming down. It's called Jail Stool Coin. Can you review it? Oh, we tried to look at it earlier. I couldn't find it. And I'm not going into Dex Tools or anything, so I just can't do it. I'm sorry, Anime and Robin. I'm sorry. Alright, Arc Block. Let's check it out. Arc Block's getting a breakout right now, still holding support. This is a very good sign. If you can manage to actually push your way up, you could find yourself up 71% based off the falling wedge pattern. From 10K market cap to 1.2 billion overnight. What the fuck? Yeah, that's the power of meme coins when there's a popular person promoting it. That is the power of meme coins. That's why so many people love them. It's because you can get really wealthy overnight. Still didn't break any records though. Trump coin broke all the records. So this thing, your bullish case is to go up 71%. Your bearish case is to fall down 22%, finding yourself at 77.1. I'm really hoping support holds right here for ABT, but man, if we get sold off in the morning, this thing's going to look really, really bad. Probably going to overextend that 22, probably hitting 624. But as of this moment in time, it looks like it wants to go up. All you need to do is get a higher low. That's all you need. You think Shiba Inu holds the #1 record with a 5 million gain overnight? No, it doesn't. Trump coin got the win. Trump coin was, it literally basically went from like, what, 100,000 market cap to 27 billion? Yeah, it took first place. It broke all records. Trump coin's been slowly bleeding. It needs to bleed. It needs to. That thing made so... oh my god, it went up so fast. It was crazy. Alright, we're going to check out the last one, and then I'm going to have to eat, then go to sleep. So, we're checking out AIXBT. AIXBT. So, I have not checked this thing out, and it looks like I gotta be on a really low time frame. Great, awesome, love it. So, we got this downtrending level of resistance. We have this downtrending level of support. We're in a wedge, baby. ICP and Luna, the coin that dumped the fastest. Yeah, Luna won. Luna's first place for that one. Luna's the only token, I believe, that has ever dropped 99% 2 days in a row. So that was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing that it could do that. Alright, so AIXBT, you're just in a massive falling wedge. If you do manage to break to the upside, which you're in the bearish control zone on the daily, nothing really to stop you from going up 257%. It looks like you're bottoming out now. Let's check out your 4-hour time frame. 4 hour. Do we have what I look for? Oh, we do? We do. We have technical bullish divergence. Beautiful. But we do see the reaccumulation happening. It's gaining strength. This is a good sign. Checking out your 1 hour. No bullish divergence to speak of. Just a reaccumulation. You had your chance. I guess you can call this bullish divergence, so that's good. What was fucking brutal, dude? It dipped and everyone bought the dip and it kept dipping. It was wild. Yeah, it's true. It was wild. I watched it. I didn't buy it on that dip because I was like, that thing just dropped like 100%. And then I saw people buying it. I was like, what are you doing? Alright, this thing looks actually pretty okay. You're flipping your moving averages right now. AIXBT. Right now, I would be looking for this thing to hold this level down here at 2169 and possibly start working your way up to that resistance. This could be good. Riding the dip to hell builds character. Oh, man. Oh, that's tough. That's tough right there. You bought the dip? No, DZ, no. It's okay. I wasn't streaming crypto that much back then. I won't hold it against you. That seems terrible. Seems terrible to me. What's Do Kwon doing? Is he in jail? I believe he is in jail. Interpol picked him up, and I do believe he's in jail. Tenacious346. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. How you doing tonight? Wow, Twitch is kind of popping off tonight. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Because, you know, Twitch has been dead for so long. Thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate you. All right. I'm playing Fortnite. Good luck out there, you guys. You're playing Fortnite? You're not going out? That's wild. I heard SBF and Diddy are all in the same jail. They should be. Hopefully they're sharing a cell. That'd be great. Have a great week, Porky. James, you have a great week. Enjoy being 21. Honestly, have a good time. If I could go back. Good times. Grateful for your time and analysis. Anytime, James. Anytime. So yeah, you're still consolidating here. Waiting for the breakout, but it does look like the lows are in right now. We will see what happens tomorrow, but it's looking good for upside. Can you look at Ralph Lauren before I go? Sure, we'll check out some Ralph Lauren before you end the night. Did you root for Chiefs or Eagles? I didn't even watch it. I'm rooting for the commercials. I'm gonna look those things up when I'm eating. I didn't watch the Super Bowl. Ralph Lauren Corporation, RL. Let's go ahead and check out Ralph Lauren. Oh, it got the short squeeze. It took off. Beautiful. To get Twitch viewers, you got to change the Twitch title to riding the trenches with the one meme boys, one soul to 1 million soul. Meme coin master AMA. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Yo, what's up, Ziff? How you doing today? How you doing? All right, so you got the short squeeze. You got it. That was beautiful. Nice gap up. Literally to the measured move. You're pulling back now. You're expecting a back test. Honestly, that's all you're really looking for. I'm on the 4 hour. Let's check your daily. Yeah, your daily, you're hitting that overbought territory. So you're looking to either test down here at 259, even coming as low as 251. That's what you're looking for. Kids these days don't even say gay. They say Diddy. That's true! Oh my gosh. Or my favorite, because I'm training a high school kid. All he says is no Diddy. Well, he says stuff. And I was like, I remember we used to say no homo. Okay. Alright. At least I can understand the reference. But, I feel like no homo is way better. It's like, no homo, but you look good today, bro. It's like... that was pretty gay. I don't know, but okay, all right. So yeah, Ralph Lauren, I mean, it's cool what you did, but you're still sitting in that overbought territory. You're overextended. You're just looking for it to come down a little bit, get a little back test. No big deal. No big deal, James. Well, yeah, it had a great move to the upside here. Hella gay or no homo, right? We definitely did. Hella damn someone from NorCal. Yeah, that's true. I'm from Southern California. We used to make fun of that. We would just start yelling out, hella, for no reason. Alright guys, I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. Huge shout out to Woozy, Top Dono, becoming a member or a subscriber over on Twitch. I greatly appreciate you. Top Dono of the night, champion, awesome, love it. Facts, no homo was legendary. It really was. Or the original, you talk some serious shit to somebody, then you put LOL at the end of your text and they're like, oh, they were just playing around. What did SoCal people say? Besides hella? We just didn't use hella. We just... Have a good night, bro. Thanks. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, we just didn't use hella. That was the main thing. We just didn't use hella. We would say dude. We would say... Oh, we'd say yo. Occasionally. We wouldn't really throw anything in before or at the end of sentences. The girls would use like. That one, ooh, it's like a PTSD thing right there. Holy crap. You talk to a girl, she says like more than an actual sentence. You're like, can you just spit it out? But like, do you know like when you like, oh my god. Yeah. Anyways, I'm reminiscing now. I'm going to get on out of here. You guys take it easy. James, enjoy the 21st birthday. Everybody, keep your stop losses tight. Be ready for some volatility this week. It is going to be absolutely crazy in the markets. I mean, there's a lot going on. Also, stay tuned for all of the commercials are the best part. I plan on watching commercials. But also, stay tuned for all the shorts that I end up posting. I'm going to be updating everybody on all the economic news, as well as all the crypto news and all of that. Anyways, if you haven't done so already, join the Discord. It's a great place to be. And yeah, other than that, I'll catch you all later. Deuces, everybody. Deuces. Dang, your expect move hit? What the heck? Yeah, man. You don't miss around these expected moves. Well, I mean, there's a reason why they're expected moves. Didn't legit come from SoCal. Sounds legit. Yeah, we did say legit, but it was like a whole statement. Like, that's legit. Ah, legit. Like, it was a whole statement. Whereas NorCal, they would say hella something. Hella statement. Hella, that's hella good. That's hella, yeah, you know. Anyways, I'm hopping off. I appreciate each and one of you guys. Take it easy. I'm out. Deuces.